Hello friends, did you know some insects are nature's tiny superheroes? In this lesson, we'll discover 10 helpful insects. Let's explore these amazing creatures together. Ladybug. Ladybugs are helpful insects that eat harmful pests like aphids, protecting plants. Honeybee. Honeybees are vital for pollinating flowers, fruits, and crops. Butterfly. Butterflies are important pollinators and add beauty to nature. Earthworm. Earthworms are beneficial as they improve soil quality by breaking down organic matter. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are great at controlling mosquito populations by eating larvae. Beetle. Beetles like ground beetles are helpful in eating harmful insects. Praying mantis. Praying mantises are natural predators that hunt and control garden pests. Lacewing. Lacewings are insects whose larvae eat aphids and other plant-eating bugs. Hoverfly. Hoverflies are both pollinators and pest controllers as their larvae eat pests. Ant. Ants are helpful for aerating soil and dispersing seeds.